Union Health Minister and Family Welfare J.P. Nadda chaired the 15th meeting of the Board of Governors of Regional Institute of Medical Sciences RIMS at Kartavya Bhavan 1, New Delhi yesterday. The meeting was attended by members of the board, including the Director General of Health Services, Vice-Chancellor of Manipur University, President of the National Medical Commission, representatives of Niti Aayog, senior officials of the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare and other stakeholders. Representatives from the beneficiary northeastern states and provided valuable inputs and suggestions for the continued growth and development of RIMS Imphal. During the meeting, extensive deliberations were made on matters relating to the development of RIMS, including strengthening healthcare services, academic and research activities, infrastructure augmentation, and administrative affairs of the institute. Various proposals and initiatives aimed at enhancing the overall functioning and future expansion of the institute were also discussed. The board reaffirmed its commitment towards further strengthening RIMS Imphal as a premier institution for medical education, healthcare delivery and research serving the people of Manipur and the entire northeastern region.